Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking octopus in garlic. When you go to buy the octopus, you will find the fresh local or the imported frozen. To make it more tender, if you buy the fresh local octopus, you need to put it in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Today I have the local octopus. Let's start the process. First, I will wash it very well. I start to boil the octopus. I put half lemon and bay leaves. I will switch on the cooker. Leave it to boil and after continue to cook with lower flame for about 1 hour. I reduce the flame to the minimum. I cover and I will leave it to continue cooking. 1 hour cooking passed. Now I switch off, I cover and I will leave it for another 1 or 2 hours to rest. I prepare the marinade with parsley, garlic, lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. I cut the parsley fine. The garlic, the lemon, I make it juice, olive oil, pepper, and salt. I mix well. Close the bowl and leave it to rest. I cut the octopus. Octopus is cut on pieces. I will continue to cook it in the pan. I switch on the fire. Butter and oil. octopus, liquid of the octopus, wine, I put the marinade. Octopus is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.